how to send money from Western Union to GCash. Load up your Western Union app, click on menu in the top right corner, and once you have signed in, you want to select send money. Now from here, we will choose the country of the Philippines, and you will need to type the amount which you are trying to send. For example, let's do $15. It should calculate it here how much they will receive after you have chosen your method. So how will the receiver get the money? You have cash pickup, bank account, Visa card, or GCash. So for this, we need to use GCash. Now you will click on GCash and you can see that you can send up to $5,000. So again, we're going to select GCash. Now here it's going to ask for your payment method. So will you use a credit card, a debit card, bank account, or Apple Pay linked to a credit card or debit card? So for this, I'm just going to leave it as debit card because it has no fee, and we're going to click on continue. Now it's going to ask for the receiver's information, so their first name, last name, and their wallet information. So GCash, you will leave it for GCash, and then you will need to type their wallet mobile number here in this field. Once you have typed out this information, you will need to select a purpose for the transfer. Let's just do gift as an example, and you will click on add. It is then going to ask you for your debit card number in order to add the funds to your account. And once you have added the funds to your account, you will just need to complete the payment. And that is how you send money from Western Union to GCash. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.